Hello, Palmira. It's your favorite pastry chef, LyMarie, coming with another video. Today's video is all Halloween, and I wanted to do something that was actually traditional for the holidays, but give it kind of a spooky twist. So what we're doing today is we're gonna be making GingerDead Men. So traditionally, gingerbread men are something you make with gingerbread dough, and it's for Christmas usually. But we are putting kind of a Halloween spin on it. We are gonna be using this really fun cookie cutter that is a GingerDead Man cookie cutter. So we're gonna be doing the traditional outline of a gingerbread man. However, it has this other side with an embed where once you've cut out the cookie, you press it down and it does this kind of skeletal design. Once the cookies are baked, we're going to fill them with royal icing to simulate bones, and you're gonna have GingerDead cookies. These are gonna be a huge hit for Halloween, so be sure to stay tuned and let's get cooking. I did just quickly wanna go over the ingredients that we're gonna be using today. So we have 2 3/4 cups of AP flour. We have, in here, we have 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. This is our spice mixture. We have 1½ teaspoons of ginger, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon clove, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. We have 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature, preferably. We have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. It could be light or dark brown sugar. We have 1/2 cup of molasses, the unsulfured kind. And then we have 1 egg, and then just a little bit of vanilla. So those are the ingredients that we're going to be using to make our gingerbread dough, and then we will cut out our GingerDead Men. When you're cutting these, you just want to make sure that you are dipping your cookie cutter in flour each time, just to ensure that you get a beautiful, crisp outline. That's what we want. And then we're also doing about 1/2 inch thick. We're going a little bit on the thicker side because we are going to be pressing down this skeletal embed. So that's why we want them a little bit thicker. You do want to keep using your dough until you run out of dough. So once you're done with the first few that you have cut out, take the remaining dough, ball it up, and press it back down. Roll it out again, and then do it again until you run out. So this recipe makes enough for 9 of these huge GingerDead Men. And that's our last little guy. We're gonna put these on a sheet tray, and then we're going to embed the skeletal design. Once they're on the sheet pan, then you wanna make sure that they're nicely spaced apart. You don't want to put them too close together. So you space them apart, and then what we're gonna do is, so this is the embed that we're gonna press down. And you can either use flour or you can use spray. So you can spray the top of it and then push down, or you can use flour. Here they are, and you want to bake these at 375 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. So now we're gonna make the royal icing that's gonna go and make the bones of our cookies. So you wanna start with 3 cups of powdered sugar. You're gonna need anywhere from 2 to 4 tablespoons of milk. So we're gonna leave that there. And then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. And then I've also got my vanilla directly in the corn syrup. And this is super simple. We're literally just gonna mix everything until we get the consistency we want. take your icing that you made before and you want to put it in a small pastry bag. I did it with a very small plain tip. And you just want to be as precise as possible, but again, it does not need to be perfect. And there you are. You have your very own ginger dead man. Palmira members, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait for you guys to try out these ginger dead cookies. They're absolutely adorable, and they are super, super delicious. So please feel free to make these and take them to a Halloween party or take them to your family and friends. They're going to absolutely love them. If you do end up making them, please let me know or put a comment down below. I would love to hear your experience. As always, I will see you in the next video. Bye!